The scratch disks are full error in Photoshop usually occurs when there is no drive space available, so your computer cannot store Photoshop's temporary files. When this error comes up, Photoshop may crash or even fail to load. There are, however, a few things you can do to fix this error in Photoshop, and we are going to cover some of the simpler and faster methods. First, try to free up space on your computer. When this error happens, the first thing to do is to clear all the junk files from your computer. This will free up space that Photoshop can use to store temporary files. To check your storage on Windows, open the Settings app, click System, and then select Storage. This will give you an overview of what's hogging space on your hard drive, helping you decide on what to let go. To check your storage on Mac, click the Apple logo at the top left corner and choose About this Mac. Then click Storage and choose Manage. This will show which content is using what amount of space, as well as offer recommendations to free up some memory. Next, you can try to delete Photoshop's temporary files. Photoshop creates and stores temporary files on your storage device. These files can be safely deleted after you've closed Photoshop. In Windows, press the Windows and R keys together to open the Run application. Then type %temp% and press Enter. That's percentage the symbol, not the word. When the temporary folder opens, find files that are named Photoshop or PST. Then hold down Shift and press the Delete button after selecting them. This will permanently delete those files. If you just delete them the usual way, you'll have to empty the recycle bin as well, or else you're not actually saving any space. On a Mac, use Spotlight Search to search for temporary files and then delete them. Just remember to empty the bin. You can also change to an alternative scratch disk on startup. If you've assigned multiple scratch disks to Photoshop, you can actually switch between them at Photoshop startup. This solution works great when Photoshop doesn't open as a result of the scratch disk error. In Windows, launch Photoshop and press and hold down the Ctrl and Alt keys at the same time. On Mac, open Photoshop and press and hold down the Command and Option key simultaneously as Photoshop starts up. Now, select a new scratch disk from the Startup drop-down menu and click OK. These are the most common ways to quickly fix the full scratch disk error, but if they don't work for you, check out the article linked below for more advanced solutions. See you next time, guys.